Everyone, Awesome Disney Toys here, and today we're bringing you Play-Doh, Diggin' Rigs, Grinding Gravel Yard. I feel like it's been a while since I did a Play-Doh video, so I'm really excited to do this. Here's the back of the box explaining everything that we could do with this playset. Let's begin by opening up the box. Here are some of the items for the gravel yard. Here's our Play-Doh. And this is the base of our gravel yard. We also get this cool playmat for Chuck to ride around. And here's Chuck the dump truck. His wheels move nice and smoothly. And you could also lift up the bed of his truck. We'll need to use that when we dump all of the gravel that we'll be making today. Now let's check out our two cool special Play-Dohs. Here's our black Play-Doh. We can use this to make asphalt. And here's our special brown Play-Doh. We can use this to make gravel. Before we begin, let's set up our grinding gravel yard. It's really easy to assemble. Now that we've assembled everything, it's time to create some gravel. Are you guys excited? We'll use this brown Play-Doh. I thought this was gonna be a special gravel Play-Doh, but it just looks like regular brown Play-Doh to me. But no worries, we could just use our imagination. Now let's call Chuck to load the gravel in the bed of his truck. We're making a lot of gravel. Nice! Chuck is carrying a lot of gravel. It must be really heavy for him. Thumbs up if you like Tonka, Chuck, and Friends. We'll dump it off right here. Thanks, Chuck. The base of the gravel yard also has a lot of molds that we can create. Let's make some of those molds by using this black asphalt Play-Doh. Cool, we made a black brick. I'll create a wall using asphalt and gravel. That's one sturdy looking wall. We can also make some really cool tires. And cobblestone to build a road. Playing in the gravel yard was so much fun today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.